I should have got in on this.
I know.
They didn't want me. Who doesn't? They didn't. Who didn't want you?
Watch your elbow. Oh, ass.
Who, Livia? Or Jacob? Is that who you're talking about? Yeah, they didn't want me on their team. That's because every single year, Terry wins. Now he's got serious competition now.
They
had real good serious competition when I was changing with those little kids.
That ain't fair that you get 2 hands.
No, you only can use 1 hand.
Hey, wheels off.
Nice butt, Olivia. Crack, crack.
Cora, man. You're messing around, dude.
Ooh, you can tell they're father and son.
Plumber's crack showing over here on my left. 55 seconds.
Watch your head.
Go, go, go.
Want someone beat you with 1 hand?
Careful of that jackhammer on that young man.
Not that bad.
Stop. 1:15.
Woo! I don't think they're tight.
1:15.